Wesley with Expandacraft here. Sorry about my last video. Just my finger hit the off button instead of the pause. We are here with the 3-foot by 6-foot deck on this electric powered 14-foot kayak, and Joel's going to show us what that thing will do. Oh yeah.
Plan on putting a ladder here too, that way you can do some snorkeling. Plan on doing some scalloping over there in Stanhatchee.
Sweet.
So that way you can come up and down easy there, and then you can dive too.
What are your first impressions?
Very, very stable. Very stable. And ain't gonna tip over.
All right, well let's see how she moves through the water.
All right.
I'm going to pause it and let you get her pointed out. Hopefully I can figure out how to pause and not shut down again. All right, there we go. Sorry if there's any wind noise here, folks. He's got a lot of weight in the back with that battery and him, but he's also going to have people on the front, somebody in the second seat. That's a lot more flotation. You can see it still turns on a dime, and it can turn either direction. Expandacraft. This is a 12-foot 9-inch Expandacraft Outrigger kit, and this one a little unique in that it's got 3-foot wide decks that are 6 feet long, and he has another cross tube that is going to allow him to put the same setup on the other side, so he'll end up with like a 9-foot wide boat, because he's going to dance on it. Yes, that's right, salsa dancing. I'm going to try to zoom, and hopefully the quality doesn't go away of the video. I think he likes it. It moves through the water very nicely. We'll get his opinion when he comes back in. And here he comes. I think he said this is a 55-pound thrust motor. You can see he has plenty of space and volume to have another person on there, and plenty of gear. Showing him, yeah. Looking good. Look how slick that Expandacraft hull goes through the water. That wave-piercing bow. It leaves nothing of a wake behind it either. Just nothing. All right, we're back with your first test. What are your thoughts?
It worked great. Really doesn't slow it down much at all. So typically it has another chair which sits there, and it's made for 2 people, and I have a larger dog, Guardian. He's like 90 pounds, so he's too big if you have another person and another dog. So the advantage of this is now, you know, the dog or the other person can be up here.
Yeah.
And then you have this whole space here too.
Put you a bleacher seat on the bleacher planking.
So pretty much multi-purpose, either single without anything on it. You have the option of a single rig set and then the double. So fishing, you know, sightseeing with somebody else and the dog, or 4 people pretty much. 2 people here, 2 people there. You can dance whatever you want. Works great.
So you're happy with your purchase?
Absolutely, absolutely.
What about your serviceman, Wesley?
Amazing, amazing. Great job.
Thank you.
Recommend him highly.
Excellent. Well, we're going to let you go and go get some fish. You're going to do some fishing. This is the Ochlockonee Bay by the Ochlockonee River. Sorry if there's a little wind noise, people.
And one more thing about the ladder there too. So I want to do some scalloping in Stanhatchee, so the ladder would go right there.
Yeah, that's right in the middle, so you can...
Yep. And you can dive right off this platform, you can jump.
Well, scoot it off the water and sit there, and just I'll show the people how much flotation you have. Saying if you were coming up on a ladder,
yeah,
you can see that the boat isn't going to dip down. If you'll notice that, the water's nowhere near the top of the Expandacraft hull. I believe you even got almost all the way out to the edge of it, and it didn't go over the top of the hull. Yeah, so plenty of flotation. I mean, you're not going to put 3 big fellas on one side. That's not what it's made for, and it'll go through some good chopping waves, but it's not made to go 6 miles offshore and through crashing waves over and over again. You know, I know people do it all the time, but that's not what it's designed for. There's the other thing. Get you a lounge chair. You could fish in a Tommy Bahama or her lounge chair. Put you a hammock there on one of those racks.
You really could.
Yeah.
Corner to corner.
That is a good looking rig. And remember, folks, we're going to come back if you sign up for receiving our notifications. Come back and check us. We're going to show this same boat with a 2-sided outrigger kit. Essentially the exact same thing on the other side. 3 decks wide. Not bad. Not bad at all. We'll go catch a big one.
All right.
Expandacraft. Come see us here in Panacea. If you do, we can actually arrange to have a 36-foot luxury camper put at one of the parks or RV resorts. More on that. You can come in and have us do the installation professionally at my shop and have a little vacation. Take your boat out just like this. Expandacraft.com.